So, hi everyone! Ngayon, dahil 2 weeks umulan, pumunta ng park si Bella and Bonbon. Look, Bono, what will you say? Huh? It's? What is that? Slide! Oh, it's mommy. What will you say to mommy?
Okay, mommy.
Okay. Let's watch. Let's go.
Can you please
Say let's go.
Okay.
let's go?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yes, Tita. Okay, bye.
Ayun o.
Grasshopper Bon.
Ayun o sa up.
Where is it?
Oh.
Asan ba?
Ayun.
Ayun.
Look ba na? Here.
Ulihin mo nga.
Naputol na yung isang paa niya. Kaya din.
Bon, grasshopper.
Tapos wala rin siyang pakpak.
Wala, Bon.
Baka na ano. Mami, baka na ano yan ng ano.
No.
Ng ibon.
Hi, hi, hi! Gonna jump.
Ayun. Ayun, ang laki.
Diba?
Bon, hala.
Grasshopper Bon.
Hala, Bon.
Oh no.
Oh, no, Bon.
Giant grasshopper Bon.
Hala, Bella.
Mommy, go away.
Why?
He's friendly.
Hala, Bon.
He's just
Mukha ni Bon.
it's friendly.
It's?
Friendly.
It's friendly.
It's friendly.
It's just gonna go home. No, 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 no! You no!
Oh, no.
Ano, mommy! Go away!
Oh no, Bella. Climbing again.
Aray, oy. Bon, sleep ka na, Bon? Are you sad or happy, Bon? Bon, ang sarap ng hangin. Tapos yung araw. Sarap. Pantok, Bon. Sleep ka na, Bon? Go. Bon. Sleep, Bon. Relax.